Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Roblox on Xbox Series X. First, make sure your console is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection. From the Xbox home screen, you'll be ready to access the Microsoft Store. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be playing your favorite Roblox experiences in just a few moments. Remember, the game itself is a relatively small download, around 200 megabytes, so it won't take up much space. Once you're on the Xbox home screen, locate and open the Microsoft Store. You can easily find it by scrolling through your apps or using the search function. In the store, type Roblox into the search bar. Make sure to select the official Roblox application. After finding it, simply click Get or Install to begin downloading the game. The download speed will depend on your internet connection, but it's usually quite quick. With Roblox successfully installed, launch the application from your games library. You'll then be prompted to either log in to an existing Roblox account or create a brand new one. If you already play on another device, simply enter your credentials. If you're new, the account creation process is quick and easy, taking only a minute or two. Once logged in, you're free to dive into the millions of user-created games and experiences Roblox offers. To truly enjoy Roblox on your Xbox Series X, make sure you're comfortable with your Xbox controller, as it's the primary way to interact with games. Take some time to explore the in-game settings. You can adjust graphics, controls, and more to suit your preferences. Playing with friends adds another layer of fun, so invite them to join your favorite experiences. Roblox offers endless possibilities, so have fun exploring its diverse universe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.